Hello, first graders, and welcome back to day 2 of your reading and phonics job for this week. This week we are going to continue looking at syllable pattern CV words, or consonant vowel words. So, the words that we are going to be investigating this week will have a CV pattern. Remember, when we're looking at syllables, it's how many vowel sounds you hear in the word. So this word lady has 2 vowel sounds, so it has 2 syllables. And you'll see that this word starts with a consonant, then we have a vowel sound. A consonant and a vowel sound, so it does follow our pattern. The next word we are looking at is daisy. How many syllables does this word have? This word has 2 syllables because it has 2 vowel sounds. Do you see the consonant vowel pattern, the CV pattern? We have a consonant, a vowel team that says 1 vowel sound, another consonant, and a consonant sound at the end of this word, daisy. Here's where you pause the video, boys and girls, and it's your turn to read. Now that you have read these words, let's go over them together. Lazy, hazy, wavy, daisy, below, even, robot, bright, high, my, hotel, shady, music, moment, baby. Did you spy some words with the CV syllable pattern? I know I did. Whisper read the sentence to yourself. Did you see the new robot that can spell? Did you see the new robot that can spell? Where is the syllable pattern CV word in this sentence? It is robot. Robot. Consonant, vowel, with an extra consonant on the end. Now, boys and girls, we're going to take a closer look at your reading job for this week. Because today, you are going to be looking for the main idea and the details in the story that we read yesterday. So, the story we read yesterday, Winners Never Quit, is a narrative nonfiction. That means it's a story that gives information about real people, settings, and events. How is this story different from other nonfiction stories we've read, or other real-life stories? One difference that I noticed was that this one has illustrations, not real-life pictures. But since we know that it's a narrative nonfiction, it's going to tell us about real people, real settings or real places, and real events or real things that have happened. The topic of our story, or the big idea that the whole selection or the whole story is about. What was this story about? Winners Never Quit tells the story of Mia Hamm as a young soccer player. So the topic of the story is a young girl playing soccer. the main idea or the most important idea about the topic was that winners never quit. So, Mia Hamm, as a young girl playing soccer, she faced many challenges. She faced some challenges. But the main idea, the most important thing that we should learn from this story is that it's not okay to give up just because something is difficult. That's what it's trying to tell us. And an example of a detail or facts that tell more about the main idea. So the details is the extra information from the story. So on this page, I see that a detail is that no matter how hard Mia Hamm worked, she just couldn't seem to score a goal. That's a detail from the story. Now your turn, boys and girls, is to write or explain, you can take a video if you'd like, the main idea and then 3 details from this story. What is the main idea? What is the most important thing about this story? And then the details support the main idea. It's kind of like an ice cream cone. The main idea is what the whole story, the most important information in the story. And then the details pile up high, like delicious ice cream on an ice cream cone. So, you can draw the ice cream cone if you wish, but you do not have to. However you would like to write or explain the main idea and at least 3 details from this story. After you've done that, it's time to read. Enjoy your daily 20 minutes of reading a book of your choice. Have fun, super readers.